Hi guys, my name is Sandeep. As the COVID cases are increasing every day, every one of us are scared and are trying to keep our surroundings safe. We have made this video to give a detailed instruction on how to use thermal fog gun machines. These thermal fog gun machines are very portable and can be used in every place that we live and every place that we go. We can use it in our homes, we can use it in our offices, we can use them in the clinics, saloons, every place we can use them. Let's start the video with unboxing. This is a very handy machine and this is very less in weight, approximately it will weigh around 2 to 3 kgs. And with this machine comes with a 2-pin adapter. This one easily fits in our socket. Along with the machine we get 100 ml bottle and a user manual on how to use this. Okay. This machine has mainly 2 switches on the back side. This black switch is used to control the heaters inside the machine, and this is a timer switch which controls the water pump inside the machine. And this pipe is connected to the solenoid pump which is inside the machine, and this pipe comes with a filter valve. So this valve will filter out any of the dust particles that comes along with the liquid. So let's start the process. Firstly, keep the liquid ready into the 100 ml bottle, and before plugging into the socket, make sure that the switches are into the right positions. The black switch should be in the center and the timer switch should be at the 0 position. And if you are sure that they are in the exact positions, and plug the adapter into the socket and turn it on. Now take the bottle and drop the pipe into the bottle and put it into the holder. After placing the bottle into the holder, we need to preheat the machine. To preheat the machine, we need to come to the back side where the black switch is there. The black switch has mainly 3 options. Option 1 onto the left side, and center 0 button, and option 2 to the right side. To preheat the machine, we need to turn the switch to the left. If you notice, even after turning it to the left, the green light is in off state. The green light will blink only after a certain temperature is reached. Now we can see that the green light is blinking, which says that the temperature is reached and the machine is ready to use. Now we need to come back and look at the timer switch. If you see the timer switch, there are readings onto the switch. To start the process, we need to turn the timer completely to the right. Now we can take this machine to all the rooms where we want to sanitize. And in the meantime, if you notice that the green light is going off or the machine is stopping, leave the machine for some time to get into the heating state, and again you can start the process. So in the previous stage we have done the thermal fogging and we have disinfected complete area, and now we need to clean the machine. To clean the machine, we need to turn the switch, the black switch, to the right side, which is option 2. After turning the switch, we need to make sure that the bottle is replaced with normal water. Now drop the pipe into the bottle and put it into the same holder and turn the timer knob the same way that we have done earlier. Now what happens in this process is whatever the chemical that is stuck inside the machine, that will be drained out, and the complete piping will be cleaned with the normal water. So after 30 seconds, remove the pipe while the machine is on and make sure all the water that is left over into the pipe is completely drained out, and you can also hear the change in the sound. So in that time, just turn off the timer switch and then turn the switch to the center. In the current state, leave the machine for 2 to 5 minutes and then you can power off the switch and plug it out. As we have completed the preheating stage, the fogging stage and the cleaning stage, now let's talk about some precautions that we need to take while using the machine. Firstly, make sure that the room is ventilated well and do not fog directly onto the human's face. It's very dangerous. And make sure that the power is not suddenly turned off. Whenever you want to turn off the machine, make sure that the timer switch is at the 0 point and the black switch is in the middle position. And leave the machine for 2 to 3 minutes after heating and cleaning is done in the same way. Then only you can turn off the machine. And while fogging, you need to leave the room for at least 15 to 20 minutes for the smoke to settle down and get in contact with the surface. So after 15-20 minutes, you can use your office space or houses as usual. After that, you can clean your floor, surface, anything, and you can start using as usual. And guys, if you think I have missed anything in this video, you can find a detailed document that I have attached below the video. In that document, you can find a detailed step-by-step procedure. And also guys, if you want to buy a machine, or if you are planning to buy this machine, or if you want to buy machines to reselling, you can contact us. We can provide you at the best prices and also we can provide you best service. Stay safe. Thank you for watching this video.